Hey
guys, today we are going to see the moba exterm also. This moba exterm has like as a input. Okay, you can connect with the number of tools like as SSH, Telnet, SCP. There's number of servers you can connect at a time. Okay, multi-tablet putty we are using, right? Same kind of thing we can use. It will be very colorful and there is a lot of features we have. Okay, now I'm going to use today this is instead of putty. Now what I will do, I'm going for particular, we can execute the Linux commands directly here. Okay, sorry, cd I'm drive cd DevOps AWS keys. Now in this path I am in this. Now I'm going to connect three servers, right? One, I'm going to put all paths same, right? Okay, then now these three servers, three uh, tabs I opened.
This conference will now be recorded.
Now what I will do, I'm going to give the permissions for my file. Let me open this. How to connect through server? Like earlier we are using for Windows system through putty, right? PPK file. Now with if it is Linux system, how to connect? Think this mobile external as a Linux mission today. Okay, this is my local terminal. Okay, now how to connect this? Go to browser. Okay, go to browser and go to select any one of the node here. Okay, Ansible server. First I'm connecting with the server here. Click the connect here. You will get a option called as, we have this pm file, right? We need to give the permissions first, right? Now okay, copy paste. Okay, now I have done. This is ch permissions, ch mode permissions I given the. Okay, read permissions I have only given, and for group only. Okay, then after that what I will do, I'm going to do for accessing the server. Now go to here and take this one. Okay, take this and you can connect it. It will connect the server. Okay, now I am in the AWS server. Like that we need to connect with the all the servers. Okay, now let me ch mode 400 pm, same command going to use here as well. Okay, now next, which server we need to go into connect? You can go for that server and take the ssh connect, connect. Okay, now take ssh command. Now go to putty and here paste. Yes, what's happened? Unprotected private key. This is what I given, right? In the current path, it's connecting, right? Sorry, it's already connected. Again I are running here. Okay, fine. I actually what I did, 2 times I run here. Okay. This is my another server. I'm going to connect with the another server too. Okay. Connect. Open. This. Connect. Now we are connected with the 3 servers, right? Now what we'll do? Now let's check that our all servers are connected or not. Let's first check that our Ansible is installed or not first using the command Ansible. Okay, which user I need to go for? Sudo -, sorry, sudo su. I went for the root user and then check with that Ansible -version. Okay, sorry, I'm in this system. Second one, right? Little bit confused. Okay, now I'm going for here sudo su hyphen. Now I'm the root user Ansible -version. I install version in the A server, right? Sorry, that command is called as what? -version. It should be. Okay, fine. Ansible -version. Okay. Now that install, right? Where the Ansible installation path should be there? cd 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 etc/etc Ansible, right? Now lsfntr. Now where I am in this path, right? We yesterday last time we are run this is a tomcat pm file we copied here and paste it here, and also we run from like we are connected this, right? And what is the in host file? What is this host file? Host file is the inventory file. We are adding for the all the nodes, which nodes I need to connect it, those nodes IPs we need to add inside the inventory file. That in by default inventory file name is hosts. Okay, if you are giving for any alternative your own custom inventory file, when you are running the Ansible playbook or Ansible ad-hoc comments, you must to be specified for the your custom inventory file using the -i option. Okay, now let's run that ping command again. Let me open that host file. What is the IPsec configure here? Okay, this is for we configure. One is the server and another one is the nodes. Okay, 2 nodes and 1 server I am going to use for our practice purpose, right? Now let me go here. Now let's run the ping command now today again. Now what's the command? Ansible. This is called, we are calling as ad-hoc commands. What is the ad-hoc command means? Just run for particular purpose and leave it. We did not store that output and we are not using for anywhere. Okay, this is called as ad-hoc commands. And playbook means that playbook is can be used for the reusable purpose and that can be used for the n number of times. Okay, whenever you require, just write the command and execute that and leave it that. Just see the output and leave it that. That's what purpose we are calling as a ad-hoc commands. Okay, Ansible, what is the command? -m ping module. -m is the ping module name and ping is the module, and all means all the nodes. What are the nodes I want to run? I am checking for the connection. What is showing this? This is showing the permission denied. Why? We need to give the particular pm file, right? -private -key equal to tomcat.pm file. Okay, now let's see, this connection is succeeded, right? Now let's connect with the, let's do with the different modules. What are the modules are there? Okay, let's discuss the module names and all. We'll go for further. Okay, notepad plus plus and notepad plus plus. Now let me write for the little bit okay, here we'll see some modules. Okay, now last class what we discussed, ping module, right? If you want to use for the n number of regular expressions also, now I did for the all, right? If you want for particular one also, we can run it instead of here all place. We can give the particular range of IPs. If you want to include, exclude, those also we can use. Okay, it connected with the only one server. If you want to see that all the range of this star, range of the 172.31.0, you can check with the, okay, only one I have. Okay, like that we can use. If you want to exclude, means not symbol, you can use. There is a number of regular expressions if you use for the connecting, the checking for the all. Okay, now like that we have the number of hundreds of modules are available in the Ansible. That's why the Ansible is mostly widely used for the configuration management tool. Okay, now and for example, see some of modules like as what we can say, like ping module. Okay, setup module, this is for the gathering facts purpose, and then shell module and command module, file module and user module, a group module, copy module, git module, okay, and m module and apt module, and then template module, inline module. Okay, and then there is a hundreds of modules will come like this. If you go for Docker module, Kubernetes module, there is a each and every purpose we have a modules. How we can check this? Go to the Ansible documentation, we'll get to know this all the modules list. Let me show you that. Ansible, you know, the if you are there is a good resource for this Ansible is the documentation only. Resource for the Ansible is the this Ansible documentation only. Okay, you can see that all modules, cloud modules, database modules, INT modules. Okay, you can go for a particular section and you can see that whatever you want. And if you go for all modules, it will comes along with the all. Okay, go to here. This is the main thing. You should be understand the documentation. Document is very easy. Ansible document is very clean and clean. Okay, nothing, there is no nothing. Straightforward they given the like as commands, explanation and everything. Okay, very nice documentation. And if you want, for example, copy module I said, right? And you can search with the copy module. See, you can go click it here. If you are using for like you want to copy some files from the like host system to number of remote system, some copying files, copying the softwares, copying the var files, whatever the requirement for copying module purpose, we are going to here and see the what is exactly module it will do. Okay, and what is the parameters we are going to use for inside that. Okay, and then how to write the playbooks for this. Simple, same. What are the options we can use? Every option they explain and they give the example. Just we can use for the whatever you require. All options they explain the very clean and clean. Okay, without any unwanted stuff and all, they give the very simple explanation and the example, and then that values also very nice. Okay, very nice documentation. Okay, clear guys? Clear, right? Now the next what we'll do, then what we'll do, we'll go for the, let's do the hands-on practice for the different modules now. Okay, just I'm show this document aside, like this is the comments we are going to be used for some examples with playbooks and ad-hoc comments and all both. Okay, ping module, file module, raw module, command, shell, service, debug, copy, apt, template, mail, git, user, group, mount, docker. There is hundreds of modules we have. Okay, what is ad-hoc means? The ad-hoc command something that you are might type into something really quick but don't want to use for save later. That's what we are calling as ad-hoc commands. Okay, this ad-hoc commands we can use for the less practicing purpose, and also even real time also we are using number of places, like as ping module we are used sometimes. Okay, even though we have setup modules we are checking sometime, you know that some the command module, shell module, we are mostly used with the command module, shell module. Okay, shell is command, both are same, but there is a small difference are there, that we are going to discuss. Okay, we are maximum we are using for the shell module. Okay, now this ping module we discussed, right? The same. Okay, and there is a different types also I given, like even though the node name also can give, instead of IP address we can give the node name. You can exclude with the node also. See, this is server and you need to exclude the group name. This node is a group name. Okay, you can exclude that. Okay, like that we can do this. And setup module means it will get for the all the your system information about the all gathering facts. This is called the if you want to get the gathering facts all about your nodes. Okay, it will get the all information, nodes, IP addresses, all this stuff. Okay, yes, correct, Manik. We can do anything. We can do. I have the example to get the EC2 instance, how to get EC2 spin up also I will share with you. Okay, you can practice that. Okay, I have that module also. Okay, good, fine. Okay, this is the things we are going to just, I'm going for the next example for the copy module. Okay, this copy module why you are using to copy the files from the multiple nodes at a time. For example, I want to copy one file, I need to this file to multiple hosts at a time. Now what is that command is? This is the command, let me write it here. Now go to here, paste it here. This this is for the Ansible command, and the this is node or IP, which node I want to execute. This is how many nodes I want to execute. The all nodes if you want to run, or else only one or only two, or whatever you want, we can group this. For example, Ansible, some what is the group we have? Node, right? Node or nodes. Let me check. Go to here. Where is that? Okay, go to here and cat. It got session out. This is a problem. We can't take duplicate also here. No, let me take one. Again it will sign out. At least that will be can easily. You know, you can't take directly here. That is the drawback here. We need to be connect from scratch onwards. That's why I'm going to for putty. Okay, it's got sessioned out. Okay. Okay, now clear. Now we are going for the CD. It is sorry. First I'm going to switch the user. Okay, now then what I will do? CD etc Ansible. I'm going this path and check this. Okay, cat host. This is the D, like as what is the group name we are giving? Nodes, right? Nodes. For example, in this, what I will give? Nodes. Okay. Module -name is the module. This is what is the module I'm going to use. Copy. What is -a? -a is the arguments. Remember, -a is the argument. Which command you want to execute and all, that is we are calling as a -a. Okay. Now this is for example, there is I will create one file here. Let me create one file. Let's instead of file, what I will do, I'm going to go copy this pm file to somewhere, like let me create one file here. Instead of this, what I will do, I'm going to create some va sample.txt file. Okay, insert, this is sample file. Just I have one file in this path. Okay, what is the path? This is, okay, this is etc Ansible etc source. We can use the name is called as the source. src is the name, or what is the file name? Sample.txt. Okay, this file I want to copy from host mission to destination mission, right? Sample.txt is the source. Now destination, where I need to be, go here, right? It shouldn't be there, nothing, but we need to create the one directory here, right, in destination. For that creating directory, what we need to use, you can go for creating directory, or else you can use for the any module also. Now instead of now, what I didn't go for any modules as of now, that when we come to that like a shell modular command will, that time I'm going to discuss how to get the like directory from there. Just I'm going to create for the it's a manually now, it's a manually now as of now. Okay, think it's not signed out. We can create this command through the another module also. Okay, or else let me do one thing that I will show later on. That's what my feel. It's taking time. Okay, now here where I'm exactly there. Okay, home ec2 user, right? Here I'm going to create one like as one directory, like as I'm going to copy this file inside this directory. Okay, home use like as destination path is the, and I'm going to give this same name I'm going to give here, but meaningful name. If you're not giving also, it will create the same file. Okay, no worries about this, just for understanding purpose I'm giving this. What I'm doing in this command, in this module, I have a file in my host mission. I want to copy this file into the number of missions at a time. This is the group name. What is this group name? Where I given this inventory file. Under this inventory file, I have the two IPs. That two IPs means two systems I am going to take. I took and right. I taken two IPs. That is for two systems. Now what I will do? This file is copied into two systems at a time. Let's see that. Execute this. Clear, right? Command is clear, right? Clear, right? This command copy module clear, right? Why we are using this? There is a number of options are there in the copy module that we are going to discuss while coming to the playbook. Okay, we'll do the playbook on the same copy module also. We'll do that. Guys, clear, right? Clear? Okay, now this is src and destination. How I get to know? Okay, for if you want to this, you can go for the documentation. That's what I'm saying, like as src and destination. Okay, each and every options we are going for documentation. You can see this, which option I'm going to use, that options. Okay, clear? Clear, right? Now I'm going to execute this command. Let's see how it will going to work. Okay, in the root system, and even though we need to write one more command, right? Or sorry, it won't work. Why? We need to give the hyphen private hyphen key equal to tomcat.pm file, right? And enter it. See what happened? This got succeeded, right? Now go and check it here. Go to this path and check that lsfltr. The file is created now. Just now it's created. Okay, clear? And go to here. You can check it here. Its file is created here. Let's see the content in this cat sample.txt. Okay, this is sample file. Clear, guys? How the copy module is works and how to execute arguments through ad-hoc command. Clear? Any questions? Any questions, guys? This module is clear, right? Okay. Pawan, clear, right? Okay, we'll go for another module.
Clear and
Okay, good, great. We'll go for another module. Okay, that module we are going to discuss about these options. Okay, we can use the n number of options based on our requirement. Okay, this is the command module I'm going to use now. Okay, now let's see. What command module? In this command module I'm going to execute with this. Instead of this, we need to add my group name or IP addresses, whatever it may be, and module name is a command. Here I'm going to add our hyphen private key equal to tomcat.pm. This is my pm key. Okay, what this command I'm going to execute? Present working directory. I want to execute one command that is called present working directory. Okay, now let's see, execute this command, how it's going to work. Okay, now go to my system and run this. It will giving us where this present working directory, home EC2 user, home EC2 user. Now before, if you want to check the PWD in all the servers, you can check with the PWD. Now for example, what I want to do, I want to, like, yes, last time what we did, we create the, like, as one folder. Like, if you want to create some folders in this mkdir. Okay, now here I'm going to create the Madhu. Okay, one folder I want to create here. Okay, let me run this for this one. Okay, go and here and check it once. lsfltr, this folder is created here. Okay, folder is created. Got it, guys? You can execute the whatever the commands you want to, like process commands, what are the Linux commands you want to, everything you can execute with this module. Okay, command module. Why there is a command module? There is some small issue. I can only execute the one command. I can't use the any regular expressions, special symbols, and nothing I can't use. Okay, that is the drawback of the command module. This can be used for the shell module instead of the command module. For example, what I will do here, what I want to do, I want to, like, as cat sample.txt file, right? What will happen? I can open the file inside. What is exactly it is there. Now what I want to do, I want to grab something content. Grab, this is a real time we are going to use a different scenarios. Grab hyphen, like, as a sample. Any sample name is there in that file or not. Okay, I want to grab some word in that. Okay, now if I do this, what will happen? It won't execute. Okay, it will throw the error. We can't use the any expressions, any special characters less than, greater than, and symbol. Okay, we can't use the any symbolic that like in this command module. Okay, we can use the shell module. You can use for the this type of regular expressions, like as the multiple commands. Okay, less than, greater than, everything we can use for the using the shell module. Clear, right? Command module and shell module difference. They will ask the interview question. Okay, what is the, like, we are, you said command module, shell module I use, then what is the difference between these two? Okay, purpose are same, right? But that shell module is the more advanced than the command module. Okay, clear, right? Now I will use the same command instead of command module. I will use the shell module. Same command, instead of command module I'm going to use the shell module. Clear, right? What is the problem in this command module? Clear, right, guys? Any questions now? I'm going to execute with the shell module again. Now instead of command module I'm going to use the shell module. I want to use the special symbolic symbols, like as and symbol, or symbol. Okay, what are the symbols you want to use? That can't be possible through command module. It can be possible with the shell module. Clear, right, guys? Clear, right? Any questions? Okay, great. Now copying this command and I'm executing this command now. Let's see what I used. I used still this command module is there. Instead of command module, I'm going to use the shell module. Okay, shell module. Let's see it works, right? This is line is printed, the sample is there, and if you want to like sample and word count also. Okay, how can I use this? Let's see. One time it is there in this sample word is available in that line, that how many times it's available? One time. Clear, guys? And if you want to execute like multiple commands like as cat and also and then pwd, like as two commands I want to execute. Okay, this is for cat this file, and another command will execute for the where I am exactly available. Instead of pwd if config. Okay, if config is not working. If config won't work, I think so. This model. Okay, that's some issues there. I will tell you later on this. You can use for the some other thing like as ls-ltr in this path. Okay, it will go for the all the commands. Okay, if config it won't work, I think so. Even I tried earlier also. Okay, clear, guys? Clear?